The Samsung Galaxy S24 is one of the top phones of 2024, but if you're on a budget, the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition is a great alternative. Just launched today, the S24 Fan Edition offers a more affordable option, though it's a bit pricier than the previous Fan Edition models and has some other changes. One key difference is its size. This year's Galaxy S24 Fan Edition is noticeably larger compared to the Galaxy S24. Let's break down the main differences to help you decide which one suits you better. The Galaxy S24 Fan Edition is getting a size boost this year, featuring a 6.7-inch FHD Plus display. That's 0.5 inches bigger than the Galaxy S24 and 0.3 inches larger than the S23 Fan Edition, making it closer in size to the Galaxy S24 Plus. Aside from the display, the processing power is another major difference between the two. In the US, the Galaxy S24 runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, while other regions get the Exynos 2400. The S24 Fan Edition, however, uses the Exynos 2400E, a slightly slower version of the Exynos 2400 to keep costs down. The only difference between the two is that the Cortex-X4 core in the 2400E is clocked at 3.11 GHz compared to 3.21 GHz in the standard 2400. This slower chip helps with preventing overheating. This year, the S24 Fan Edition will only have the Exynos chip, even in the US, marking the first time Samsung hasn't offered a Snapdragon option there. Another change is the fingerprint scanner. While the Galaxy S24 uses a fast ultrasonic under-display scanner, the S24 Fan Edition sticks with a less accurate in-display scanner, which can be hit or miss depending on personal experience. In terms of software, both phones offer the same Galaxy AI features, including Interpreter, Circle to Search, and Live Translate, along with 7 years of OS updates and security patches. The Galaxy S Fan Edition has always been bigger and thicker than the regular Galaxy S series, but this year the difference is even more noticeable due to its larger screen. There are differences in materials too. The Galaxy S24 has an aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass Victus 2, while the S24 Fan Edition uses a plastic frame with Victus Plus glass. As for colors, the Galaxy S24 comes in cobalt violet, amber yellow, marble gray, and onyx black, while the S24 Fan Edition will be available in blue, graphite, gray, and mint. On paper, the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition looks similar, with the same 50-megapixel wide and 12-megapixel ultra-wide cameras. However, it replaces the Galaxy S24's 10-megapixel telephoto lens with a simpler 8-megapixel lens. We don't have the exact sensor details, so it's hard to fully compare. Samsung claims the S24 Fan Edition's camera is an improvement over the S23 Fan Edition, thanks to better sensors and the Pro Visual Engine, which uses AI to enhance photo quality. It also includes AI tools like Generative Edit for removing objects from photos, Portrait Studio for turning selfies into art, and Instant Slow-Mo for quick slow-motion videos. Overall, the S24 Fan Edition's camera looks like an upgrade. The Samsung Galaxy S24 has a 4,000 mAh battery that can easily last a full day as long as you're not gaming or doing high-performance tasks for hours. The Galaxy S24 Fan Edition sticks to the same slow charging speed, but offers a bigger 4,900 mAh battery. While this sounds like it could give better battery life, the larger screen may use up the extra capacity. The Samsung Galaxy S24 starts at $799 and has been available globally since January 2024 with frequent discounts. The newly announced Galaxy S24 Fan Edition is priced at $709 and is available for pre-order today on Samsung.com, with other retailers starting pre-orders on October 3rd. Samsung Galaxy S24 Fan Edition versus Galaxy S24. Which should you buy? It really comes down to your priorities. The Galaxy S24 is currently available and offers a more premium design, a faster processor, a better camera, and extra features. In contrast, the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition has a larger display and a bigger battery, but makes some compromises. For most people, I'd suggest getting the Galaxy S24, especially if you can find it on sale or just spend the extra $40. You'll get a true flagship phone and potentially save money compared to the S24 Fan Edition. If you prefer larger screens and are interested in the Plus model but want to spend less, the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition is a solid choice. Even when on sale, the S24 Plus has never dropped below $800, making the S24 Fan Edition nearly $100 cheaper. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.